Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving deep into a game-changing topic, functional fitness for injury prevention and recovery. Stick around. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to use functional fitness to protect and heal your body in ways traditional workouts simply can't. Functional fitness is more than a buzzword, it's a mindset shift. Instead of isolating muscles with machines, it focuses on training your body to perform real-life movements more efficiently and safely. Think squatting, reaching, pushing, pulling, and twisting. These movements mimic how we live and work every day. The power of functional fitness lies in its compound movements and multi-joint actions, which engage stabilizers and core muscles. This is particularly important for preventing injuries, as these exercises train your body to respond dynamically to daily stresses. Every injury has a root cause, and often it's not just a weak muscle but a faulty movement pattern. That's why retraining these patterns is essential during recovery. Let's say you've had a knee injury. Functional rehab looks at how your hip, ankle, and core contribute to the issue. Exercises like bodyweight squats, step-ups, and glute bridges can retrain your body to distribute load evenly, reducing stress on the injured area. Neuromuscular re-education corrects imbalances that often lead to re-injury. Balance and proprioceptive drills retrain your brain to react quickly to instability. Functional recovery enhances the way your entire body moves, making you more resilient. When we talk about injury prevention, most people think strength is the answer, but mobility is the secret weapon. You can be strong, but if your joints aren't moving properly, you're at a higher risk of injury. Functional fitness combines mobility and strength seamlessly. Think of it as building power through a full range of motion. Dynamic warm-ups, mobility drills, and strength flows can vastly improve joint health and muscular coordination. For example, the Turkish get-up is a functional movement that challenges shoulder stability, core engagement, and hip mobility. When performed correctly, it mimics how we move from the ground up, promoting controlled strength and fluid motion. This integration helps prevent overuse injuries by promoting balanced muscle development and flexibility. The core isn't just about abs, it's your body's powerhouse. It stabilizes the spine, protects internal organs, and supports nearly every movement you make. In functional fitness, core stability is central to injury prevention and recovery. A stable core allows your limbs to move freely and powerfully without stressing joints or causing injury. Movements like plank variations, anti-rotation presses, and dead bugs engage deep stabilizers like the transverse abdominis and obliques. In recovery, a strong core helps offload injured areas, allowing you to rebuild strength without overloading weak spots. For example, someone recovering from a back injury will benefit from exercises like bird dogs and side planks. Core training enhances your posture and body awareness, essential for long-term injury prevention. It's about creating a stable base from which all your movements originate. The better your foundation, the safer and more efficient your motion becomes. In short, your core is your built-in armor. Train it well, and your entire body benefits. Now that you know the value of functional fitness, how do you apply it to your own recovery or injury prevention plan? Customization is key. Start by identifying your weak links, whether it's a past injury, poor posture, or recurring stiffness. Work with a physical therapist or functional trainer to assess movement patterns and create a tailored approach. Your plan should include a blend of mobility work, strength training, balance drills, and movement pattern correction. Focus on consistency, not intensity. Gradual progression ensures safety while building long-term resilience. Don't overlook recovery strategies like foam rolling, massage, and active recovery days. And remember, your nervous system plays a huge role. Incorporate breathwork and mindfulness to reduce tension and improve movement quality. Track your progress using video analysis, journals, or apps to monitor improvements. This not only motivates you, but helps fine-tune your approach. Functional fitness isn't a one-size-fits-all solution. It's a lifestyle shift that adapts to you. By listening to your body and moving with purpose, you'll prevent injuries before they start and recover from them faster if they happen. Functional fitness isn't just trendy, it's transformative. It empowers you to move better, live pain-free, and feel stronger in your daily life. Remember, the goal isn't perfection, it's progress. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more health-first fitness tips.